Good day, everyone. I am Remark Elamad. I am 18 years old and currently a student at Butuan City Colleges Incorporated. To be honest, I considered myself an introvert. That means I usually feel more comfortable in quiet places or when I spend time with just a few close friends. Even though I am a bit shy at first, I really enjoy listening to people and observing what's happening around me. I believe being an introvert also helps me focus, think deeply, and understand others better. Some of the things I enjoy are reading, writing, drawing, or studying quietly. Throughout these activities, I can express myself in my own way. I may not always be the loudest in the room, but I believe my strengths are patience, being a good listener, and having a thoughtful perspective. I look forward to learning more from all of you and slowly building connections one step at a time. Thank you.